got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old guys on the block, bitches on my line, and you know.
Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the Semolon Waterfall. Let me introduce myself. My name is Masti. I will be your tour guide today. You can call me Miss Masti. Okay, the Semolon Waterfall tourist attraction in Malinau is one of the most famous tourist attraction in Malinau. This tourist attraction is famous because it has hot spring and has a round bathing area where the water inside is warm and not hot, and the water at the bottom is cool and neither hot nor warm. Here we can cross the red break to get the spot, and when we cross this red break, we can also go through this. We continue to walk deeper to see the trees inside and climb up the mountain to see the hot spring that come out of the ground. And remember, you should not touch the water because it can cause scald or injury because it is hot water. Okay, and you need to know that the trees here are prohibited from being cut or burned, and to maintain cleanliness in this place. We are prohibited from throwing rubbish carelessly. We must be aware of ourselves, and when we travel here, we don't need to pay a tax fees because it is definitely free. And if we stay overnight here, it can be allowed, but you can tell the gentleman who live here to come here. You must obey to existing regulations. You are not allowed to throw rubbish in rivers or land carelessly. For those who are not married, they are not allowed to sleep together or do things that are not acceptable in this area, and don't burn off carefully. Yes, if we explore the spring at the top, we will definitely find and be able to see large great stones above our palm. And the most important things is that we can bring any foods to this place. It is highly recommended to bring provisions to come here because no one sells here. So that's what you need to pay attention to in our tour this time. It's really fun, isn't it? Okay, apart from this, I want to wish you a good time enjoying our natural atmosphere here today, and happy fun for your tours this time. And I think that's all for me, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, salam nama budaya, and salam kebajikan.